With climate change, we tend to link that very closely to increasing of global temperatures. With higher temperatures, glaciers and ice sheets will eventually start to melt and over time will cause sea levels to rise. Rising of the sea level will cause problems to the coastal communities, infrastructure, and ecosystems, among other things. Antarctica continually loses land mass at an accelerated rate. With all the measurements combined, Antarctica is losing about 100 gigatons of land mass per decade. Cities like Baltimore, Maryland are experiencing more coastal flooding during extreme high weather events. The frequencies of these minor tidal flooding is far exceeding the threshold annually by 1 to 2 feet, which cause flood warnings within the area. The trend doesn't seem to be slowing down anytime soon. Ellicott City, a city close to Baltimore, has severely flooded multiple times in the last 2 years. In an article, they describe Ellicott City as, quote, the bottom of the funnel, since the town is part of the Tiber-Hudson watershed, which is the natural drainage area that has 4 tributaries flowing through it. Solutions to help keep these flooding issues are constantly being discussed with the Howard County government.